Great service providers and professionals in our industry are all very confident in their ability to recommend other services to their customers. You need to have this skill and confidence in your ability to deliver 5-star customer service. Know your menu. Look for opportunities to serve your customer. Again, you're the expert. They've come in for an experience, personal, private, emotional. They want to feel good, look good. So it's up to you to present all the opportunities and all of the services that you're capable of delivering to your customer, to your client. So not only do you need to know these services and prices to do these services for state board, for licensing, right? But it's up to you to deliver that experience and to increase your average service ticket, which will then lead to increasing your paycheck and generate revenue for your business. Now, to capitalize on these skills, on your technical skills, and to present opportunities, you really have to have the confidence in your menu. Know the prices, all of the prices, all the services that you can do, know those prices. So when the opportunities arise, you can recommend with confidence and have that ability to follow through and do these services, because you can do all of the hard work. You can ask all these great questions about their wants, needs, goals, concerns, learn all about this stuff, and then present the opportunity to your customer, present the service. Hey, would you like to, maybe get some highlights and color? And they agree. They surprise you and you're like, yes, that sounds great. How much is that going to cost? Oh, I don't know. I'll be back in a sec. Let me find out. That kind of answer is not going to instill a lot of confidence in your customer. They might change their mind. The service is not going to go as best as what was expected. Maybe even the answer, that sounds great, let's do that. How long is it going to take? Again, not going to instill a lot of confidence in the customer and your ability to actually follow through and do that service. So again, it's all about confidence, knowing your stuff, know your menu, know how long the service is going to take. So what I recommend you doing is testing yourself on that menu. Everything that you're capable of, your technical ability, whether you're a cosmetologist, an esthetician, or a barber, doesn't matter. Know your ability and the services that you provide, and know the prices and the duration so that you can capitalize on the opportunities when they arise. Speak to you soon.